Ni mĩario ya President William Ruto ya kiumia gĩkĩ ĩrĩa yarongoreirie kumbũrania ungumania ũrĩa ugĩte ũkirĩte mbunge-inĩ ya bũrũri, akĩorota mbunge kumana na mũtugo wa gũtua mbunge ya kĩbũrũri na Senate gĩtumĩro kĩa ungumania.
There are people who are destroying the credibility of parliament and they are collecting money in the name of parliament, and some of the time or most of the time, that money never gets to parliament, it gets to a few people. Do you, for example, know that a few members of your committee collected 10 million shillings so that you could pass that law on anti-money laundering? Did you get the money?
No mĩario ya President Ruto ekĩoererwo nĩ ambunge arĩa macokirie mũgwĩ wa Ruto na mũgwĩ o ta ũcio makĩmuorota ta mungumania ũrĩa mũnene ona makĩria.
It is so unfortunate that a statement condemning all of us as corrupt extortionists, yet some of us have held the sharp end of the knife to support him, is something that we cannot accept.
If you have a problem with someone, you say it. You say, I have a problem with this and that person. But you cannot demonize the whole institution of parliament.
This house has been alleged to have received some 10 million. My suggestion, Mr. Speaker, authorize the Powers and Privileges Committee to summon the President.
Mr. Speaker, this house has to stop being a choir for the executive.
No atongoria a thirikari-inĩ makambĩka gũtetera President Ruto, Minista wa hinya wa kuhũthĩka OPIYO Wandayi agĩũkĩrĩra mbunge na kũmagweta ta atongoria eyendi na matarenda kũrutwo mahĩtia ma ungumania.
Unaongea kwa niaba ya nani? Na wewe uko na nguvu ya kutoka wapi Kenya hii? Wewe nani amekupatia nguvu ya kuweka na kutoa rais? Wewe ni nani? Vinyangarika wakome hiyo tabia, si ndio?
Akiaria ari mwena wa Ugunja kaunti-inĩ ya Siaya, Wandayi augĩte itanya inene rĩa ambunge nĩ kwenda kwenyenya wathani wa President William Ruto, ũndũ ũrĩa augĩte ũtongoria na mũingĩ wa gĩcigo kĩa Nyanza ndũgwĩtĩkĩra.
Mbunge ambaye amechaguliwa tamu moja amekuwa bunge hata tamu moja hajamaliza. Mbunge hata tamu moja hajamaliza bungeni na anajitokeza kwa hadharani mchana na anatoa vitisho vya baridi. Anatoa vitisho ambavyo havina maana ya kwamba wao ndio waliweka mheshimiwa rais kwa kiti na ndio sababu watamtoa. Wewe pengine ulichangia kuweka yeye kwa kiti, lakini sisi vile tutahakikisha ya kwamba hautamtoa.
Wandayi nĩwatarĩirie atĩ we na atongoria angĩ mararũmĩrĩra mũrũgamo wa mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Raila Odinga, rĩu akiuga mũrũgamo wa Odinga no ũrĩa na atĩ gĩcigo gĩkĩ gĩtikweherera ũnyiti mbaru wa President Ruto nginyagia gĩthurano-inĩ kĩa mwaka wa 2027.
Na wakati wa kura utakapofika, vile baba Raila alisema juzi, wakati wa kura utakapofika, tutajua mbivu na mbichi. Tutajua ya kwamba Kenya hii kila Mkenya ako na haki. Tutajua ya kwamba Kenya hii kila kura iko na maana.
Hadi Nyaka TV, Ruto ni Bataro wa Mwage.